So guys, we are inside our sample project. Let's import our overlay. Look for crop. As our video is in landscape mode, so 16:9. Look for mask, circular mask. Adjust the mask size and position. Tap on the circle button again for more settings. Position the overlay where you like. Duplicate the layer. Tap, hold, drag. Bring the duplicate layer to the font. Look for replace. Library. Select the border color. Suppose white. Again crop. 16:9, same as the original. Position it over the original clip. Go to layer. Change the layer order. Select the original clip. Go to transform. Advanced. Remember the position X and Y value. Select the white background. Advanced. Give it same X and Y value. Then with the zoom option, adjust the border width. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.